everyone, welcome back to the 30-day power push-up challenge where we target a different muscle group every time. And today I am bringing your workout at a beautiful park with the river behind me here in San Antonio, Texas. And as I promised, I am adding a twist to our routine. Literally, we're gonna be doing the scorpion push-up. It involves the twisting motion with our legs as we are performing the push-up, resembling the movement of the scorpion's tail, helping us target the core muscles a lot better. And today, our powerful word is going to be authentic. I confidently express myself in a genuine and sincere manner. Are you ready to say it with me? I am authentic. I confidently express myself in a genuine and sincere manner. And here are your guidelines. Go ahead and grab a mat, something to drink, water preferably, and bring your best energy. And let's do this. Let's go get it.
Before we begin, let's start by stretching our arms, our spine, releasing any tension from our neck, lower back. We usually carry lots of tension on our hips, so make sure that you are completely tension-free as much as you can. And this is what we're going to be doing. This is the main movement. As you notice, I am keeping my core stable. I'm not allowing my body to shift me from side to side. If you need, you can use your knee for support. The goal is to make sure that you're engaging your core and keeping it tight. Engage it and hold yourself. Okay, time to do this. Let's go.
We did it! Authentic, amazing, awesome you. Whatever your name is, remember who you are. I'm so freaking proud of myself. It's so hot out here. I'm dripping everywhere. And thank you for doing it from whatever you are. What is your word? Authentic. Can we say one more time together? I am authentic. I confidently express myself in a genuine and sincere manner. So remember your word, keep up the good work, do your homework. Remember, tomorrow you're gonna add one more set, and after tomorrow you're gonna add 2 more sets. On day 4, I'm gonna be here again, bringing you another push-up variation, targeting a different muscle group so we can continue targeting the upper body and chiseling up. Yes? I'm excited for you. Send me pictures. Let me know how the challenge is going for you, even if it's like a small difference in how you feel, how you look, how you think. It makes my day. It really does. I love you. Take good care and see you soon. Keep up the good work, okay? And remember who you are. Adios. Good energy. Woo.